Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rain can also affect where deer bed both for the night and in the short term. Typically, light rains will see little or no change in bedding location. However, heavy rains will often push animals into more protective nighttime cover. 16 October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
The deer forcibly expels air through its nostrils like a greatly magnified sneeze. The deer blows when it detects danger at a distance. The sneeze clears the nasal passages, and helps the deer sniff the air better. The sound may startle a predator into revealing its location or leaving the area.
Take our lead.
Deer become nocturnal because of pressure, either from hunting or other human activity. Deer change movement habits because of pressure, other human activity in the area, changes in cover or changes in bedding areas as related to feed areas. 12 August 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Deer sleep anywhere they bed. Their head position changes many times during a sleep session, and they may lay with their front and back legs tucked under them, their back legs tucked and front legs extended, and even on their side with all of their legs extended. 16 August 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Deer will be active all day during a steady rain, especially if the wet weather lasts for several days. Don't let these conditions discourage you. The deer are out there and they must eat and socialize, especially during the rut. Plan on being out there with them. 13 October 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Heavy rains or thunderstorms will cause deer to bed down in a sheltered area of some kind. Any high winds, rain or not, will also discourage their movement. Since light rain doesn't alter a deer's activity, this time can be very rewarding for you. 15 November 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Deer love peanut butter, so it is an excellent bait. You can use peanut butter alone or in a mixture to lure deer into an area for hunting or just to enjoy watching them. Peanut butter is much cheaper than most commercial deer attractants and works as well or better.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.